Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me and my Hobonichi cousin, and I think I'm going to just adjust the view because it's being cut off everywhere, and I'll be right back. And we are back, so it's much better now. It's in a different angle, and I guess let's just live with this. And today I will be using these kits from the shop, and these are our two formats of Hobonichi cousin kits. We have first the vertical, and we also have the horizontal over here, and I'm still going to pick which one I would be using for today. So if you'd like to see how my page will turn out, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Pao and I am paperjoyph, and I do have a shop that sells Hobonichi cousin kits, and it's been a hot minute since I have recorded a plan with me and my Hobonichi cousin. For a while I was not feeling it, but now it's pretty good. So this is what my previous pages look like, and I think there's nothing here. Yeah. So today we'll be planning the week of the 10th through the 16th of June. And here are my two options. First, this is the vertical kit. And the vertical kit, the difference is that, well, there's a lot of difference. But for here, you have these little strips that can cover the hours. So if you don't want to be using any of the hours, then you can use the strip, of course. If you'd like to also still use the hours and use this kit, you can still do that. It depends on you. By the way, this is in our glossy cream paper, which means that it is fountain pen friendly. So it has these boxes here that fits between these two lines, even if these are covered. And then you have blank boxes at the bottom, so the full boxes look really pretty. Super Mermaids. Mermaid is life right now. This is my second Mermaid kit this year, and I'm loving every single one of them. So this is the page 2 of the vertical format for, by the way, this kit is called Cute Mermaids, after the Cute Mermaids collection. And you have a bunch of strips here. These are your bottom bars, and then this is your sidebar for you to stack it. And then you have half boxes with checklists, some flags, and then this is the date cover. So this is the date cover also. And then we also have the hourly kit. So the hourly format is very different because here you are encouraged to use the hours should you want to. Sometimes I use this without using the hours, especially like this one. I didn't use the hours, but I used an hourly kit. So these two are the strips that goes over your dates, and then this is the bottom bar. So the bottom bars are tall so that you can write down your to-dos, and it does have a grid. Then you also have extra decos here, and then script sticker for the weekend, and some to-do script stickers. And then back to page 1, you have your stackable sidebar. So all of this is stackable sidebar, these two also, and these ones do not cover the hour, but it is a header, and it will stop where the hours will, or the date, the numbers for the hours will start. So I think today, let me just move my light. It's a little cloudy, so I'm sorry if it is a little bit blue cast, if you can see that, if I hadn't fixed it at post. I think today I will be using my hourly again. Wait, hang on. No, I'll use the vertical because last time I used the hourly. Alright, so let's begin. I'm going to start with my date covers, like how everybody does it. So I'm going to be using an hourly kit, but I'm not going to be using the hours. No, not hourly kit, but vertical kit, but I'm not going to be putting down the hourly strips. I'm not going to cover it. Well, I'm going to cover some, but not all of it, so watch out for that. So now I'm going to move on to my bottom bars. Here's one, left side, and then right side. So what I do is, I'll show you here. So this is number 2, and this goes over that number. It will go off the last line because the last line still has a number 4 hanging out, and I didn't want to see that. So this is what we have. Why is it so dark? Hopefully that is fixed. So sorry about the light changes. So now I'm going to take this pretty box and I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to just miss one column of boxes in the grid. And I'm going to take my habit tracker. One of the reasons that I haven't actually been planning here or recording my plan with me on here because I was memory planning, I was back planning, and I only do it on Instagram. That's what I've been doing. So if you're not following me on Instagram, do check it out. It is paperjoyph. So I have priorities and important, and I'm gonna put both of them on here. That was not in focus. I'm sorry about that. You can actually just use one, either priority or important. They do mean the same. But for me, I'm going to do both. That's crooked. Let's see if we can fix it. Do be careful if you do have the Hobonichi. They're using a paper called Tomoe River paper. It is very thin and very sensitive. And if you pull stickers off of the page, off of this paper, it can be very difficult because it can peel off the paper. So just be very careful with that. So now I have this, and I think I'm going to take one of these. I think I'm going to take this purple one. Hang on. No, let's take this hot pink one and put it over here. So I have this little space here, and I thought I was going to be okay with that. I'm not. I'm going to take one of the flags and put it over here also. That looks okay. So now we're going to move on to the strips first. So I'm going to take one strip. Okay, I'll take it from the bottom. And then I'm going to put it over 9 o'clock. Wait, how did I do it? Okay. I'm going to use 2. And then I'm going to take my ruler and just snip off the end. I'm going to put this away. Oh, okay. I'm going to take the next one, the one right beside it, and I'm going to build the pattern so it looks like it's a washi strip. That's just one whole washi strip. Right? And I'm going to do the same for this side. I'm going to take one of the strips and build the image, right? Did I do it right? Okay, yes. Take the last strip for today, maybe? I don't know. We'll see. I like these strips. They're very versatile. And this is what we have. It is stunning beyond words. So I'm going to go ahead and take one more and put it at the bottom. So I think that's just going to look really, really pretty when everything is together. Just makes it so much more cohesive. I get very creative with my spreads in my Hobonichi. That is one of the reasons why I love it so much. Okay, now let's take our boxes and we will be putting them here at the bottom. I'm going to move this or put her on Sundays because this is a very, well, it's the same image. I just moved it a little bit and then, so everything decorative goes at the bottom. I think I'll take this pretty purple one. And then I'll take one of the girls, another purple one. Hang on, let's try the blue one. That's perfect. Then I will take her to Thursday. And then I guess this one. That looks good. And then a seahorse. And last one is this one. All right. Now let's move on to these here. And I'm going to put this down over here. Can I put it sideways though? Just a thought. Yes, I can. Really? Wow. I've never done that ever in my life. There's going to be another reformat for my Hobonichi Weeks kits, I think. Oh, not reformat, but I'm putting up an extra product. Something that I missed a lot. Oh, I wish that... Can we Let's see. Will this be pulled off? Stunning! I wish that I'd pulled this more towards these boxes, but I didn't. So this is really pretty. I am loving everything. Okay. I have 10 dots. Gonna put them over here. Well, not 10 of them, but 7 of them. These are very tiny dots. I think that one day this will be reformatted to remove the dots, because a lot of times I just use the dots for decoration. Like right now, this is somewhat decorative. There you go. And then I'm going to take, what else can I take? Okay, I still have these, and this is what's gonna happen today and to do. I'm just gonna switch between them. It's not gonna be very different in terms of their function here right now. And that is what we have. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm not liking how that looks. Let's see if we can still move it. Let's just see if it will do it. Wow, I've been very lucky today. Don't jinx it. Okay. There you go. And then I'm going to take another pair of to do and today. See, don't jinx it. I kind of ruined it, but not too bad. All right, so this is what we have right now, and it's stunning. Do you love it? I love it. I love it so much. So this is what I have left, and I can use this later on in the week should I need it. Sorry about the glare. This is our cream glossy, as I have mentioned. So that is what we have now. You know what's great about these tiny little boxes is that you can put icons like this one. This is one of my favorite ones, and this is from Whimsical Cat. Do I have a purple one? Okay, no. Then I'm going to put it here to show that, oh my god, it's gonna rain. And then I'm going to take this over there, and this is also post-run. And then I'm going to take, I don't know, what should I take? Other things. So anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and put a bit of pen to paper. So today I'm just gonna use my Coletto. Am I gonna use my Coletto? No, hang on. This is glossy paper. I'm going to use my Kaweco. So this is a fountain pen. It is EF nib, and then I will fast forward and I will be right back. Alright, and I am back. So this is what we have so far. Before I show you all of this, at least what I did over here, I will show you the pen once again. So Akaweko, and then I pulled my Shikiori, Sailor Shikiori. And here are the Whimsical Cat stickers that I used today. I'll link her down below. And then I'll scoot you on over. So this is what we have completed. I will be writing on this later in the week, etc., later today. I always have this open on my desk, so this is my desk planner, literally. And scoot you on over. Come on, focus. Okay. Sorry about focusing. I have been having those problems lately. So as I've mentioned in the boxes, I did put the emoji or character stickers on there. I put it on its side, and that is where I write most of my social media things. I didn't write any of my school stuff on here apart from the general one because I have a separate separate list for that because there's just crazy. This is the other side, so I'm not planning to do, come on. I'm not planning to do a lot of things on Sunday because I want it to be mostly a rest day. Like this week or yesterday, it was a Sunday. Today's a Monday, and I wasn't doing a lot, and I loved it so much. So this is what we have for the bulk of the week, and then I'll show you my sidebar. Look at how pretty that is. Stunning. Okay. So this column first. So this is, I'll just put it on the table. So here I put down my to-do for filming. So first I highlighted this part. 11 to 1 o'clock I will be filming. So what will I do while I'm filming? Of course, photos for IG should not be included in there, but I put it in anyways because it's mostly social media things and it didn't take up a lot of time. I did film already. I'm filming now, and then I have to dump this on my Google Drive so I don't lose it. Sometimes I forget. That is a horrible thing for me to do, to forget, because I spent so much time filming and then it's lost. So here I have schoolwork time, just around 7, and then dinner and then schoolwork time, and I will try not to like do shop stuff, mostly social media stuff. So reminder to get off Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, those 3 things. So here is my sidebar. This one is just decorative. I might add a few more stickers on here. It depends really on my mood at the end of the week. And this is the trackers that I have. I have diet and exercise. And I'm just trying to get a little bit more fit because I will be doing a lot of walking when I am traveling at the end of the week. And then I have this week box, and then I have my priorities on here. These are school stuff. And then important is my shop stuff to do. So this is our page today, and that is it for us today. If you'd like to see how this page will turn out at the end of the week, make sure to follow me on our social media. Instagram and Facebook is paperjoyph, and you can also join our Facebook group paperjoyph Planning World. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!